this video, I will introduce Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark is a free Adobe program that is accessible online, so you can get to it without installing anything anytime that you can get access to the internet, that allows you to create images, websites, and videos. To get to Adobe Spark, go to spark.adobe.com. Once there, you'll be asked to log in, and you'll be taken to the page that you see now. If you have any projects that you've previously worked on, you will see them listed here, and if you hover over them, you can edit them. If you'd like to create a new project, you can click on the plus button. When you click on the plus button, you'll have an option between creating a Spark post, a Spark page, or a Spark video. In this video, I'll show you how to use Adobe Spark Video. Spark Video is great for producing videos that you create using pictures or icons, text, and narration that you record. It's great for presentations or persuasive speaking, things like that. Let's see how it works. To begin, click the red video button. Enter the title page for your video. You can put anything because you can change it later. And then click Next. Next, you're presented with templates or the ability to start from scratch and make up your own. If you choose a template, then you'll be given a certain number of slides down at the bottom and a suggestion for what should go on these slides. So in this case, I chose a template that is supposed to allow me to teach something. So it gives me a slide to present the concept, give an example of the concept, explain how it works, and give you some sort of opportunity to try it yourself or think about trying it, whatever, and then create a summary of what I've just taught. So I can use a template like that, or I can scroll to the end and choose Make Up My Own. If I choose Make Up My Own, you'll notice I'm given no particular number of slides down here, just one blank one to start out with, and I have to make up my story on my own. To do that, I have a blank canvas here to work with. First, I can go up to the top right and choose Layouts and decide whether I want just one thing on my first slide, two things, a thing and a caption, a full screen, whatever. For the first slide, I think I'll just choose one thing. If I click plus, I can add an icon, a photo, or text. Those are the things. Icons can be things that you normally think of as icons on your computer, like maybe arrows, or they can be things that you never think of as icons, like, for example, computers. If I type in computer, I get a bunch of little pictures of computers. To get one of them onto the screen, I just click on it. There it is. If I want to add another slide, I click the plus. Gives me another blank template. I can choose maybe two things this time. In that case, I can add an icon here, or perhaps a photo or text again. I think I'll add a photo this time. I'll add a photo of a computer. And maybe this disgruntled looking lady with the computer. If I want to add another slide, I just click plus again, and I can add a thing and a caption this time. I'll add this girl using a computer and then the caption allows me to type with text. So I can put my text in there. Once I have my slides added, I can pick one. And to narrate what words go along with that slide, I press and hold the microphone button and I narrate. As I'm narrating, it tells me how long I've been speaking. Notice here that it encourages you to go no more than 2 seconds. When I go over that amount, it starts letting me know to hurry up. Once I have all the slides in that I want and all the narration in that I want, I can click Preview. And you can see that it animates my little slides by letting things drop, by letting my pictures drop in. It puts a little bit of music behind whatever narration I would have made. And if I'm satisfied with it, I can click on Share. If I'm not satisfied, if I want to change something like the music, I can click on Music and choose from a variety of different music. Or I can click on Themes and choose from a variety of different themes. If I pick this theme, for example, you'll notice it puts everything on that orange background. And it lays the pictures out in a slightly different way. So you just have to play with the themes until you get one that you like. Once you have, you click Share, and it'll force you, as always, to choose category. And you can either download your video as an MP4, or you can create a public link to your video. Again, just like with the post, Spark Post, once your production has been completed, it's saved on the Adobe server, and there is this permanent link, and there's also embed code, or you can actually download the movie.